Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to perform a virus scan in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you are using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to perform a virus scan on your phone, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings. Now once you are in settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy. Click on this and here click on app security. Now, once you are here, you have two different ways. The very first step, you just have to click on App Protection and then click on Scan Phone. Now here it might take some moment, so you just have to wait for it until it's complete and then we'll move on to the second step. After completing the first one, you have to go to second step, here to Google Play Protect, click on it and here it will open in your Play Store. You just have to click on Scan and it will scan for any harmful app in your phone. Once it's done, now you'll get the results here. So in this way, you can easily perform a virus scan in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.